students, welcome back in today's mathematics class. Student, in last video we have completed our exercise 4.3. Now, moving forward our exercise 4.4, and in this 4 questions we have, and today we will complete with this exercise. But before starting the exercise question, we used to do the introduction about the exercise questions, right? So this exercise is very simple. These are all the topics we will cover in this exercise. Means we have done solve the equation. We have made an equation from a statement. So in this is a combination of these two questions. So let's quickly, without wasting our time, start with question number 1. Set up an equation from the statement and solve it. Solve it means you have to find out the unknown value, x value, right? So let's start. If I add 4 to 8 times a number, means you have to add in a number which is a 8 times, and then you will get 60. Means how many steps are there? 2 steps are there. First of all this step, then second step, and then third step is coming. Third step only is equals to 60. Got, students? So first of all, we start the solution. Let the number x, means what number we are having? X. In that x, 8 times of x, when we add 4, what we get? 40. So this is an equation. Now you got equation. In exercise 4.2 and 3 we have done that how to solve the equation. This you know, 8x is equals to 60, that 4 will shift towards that side. 60 minus 4, that is 56. Now take out the unknown term because question is asking solve. So you have to solve for taking out the unknown variable term. So that is very simple. X is equals to 8. There is in multiplication, that side it will go in division. So 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. So the x value would be 7. Students got in the same equation only 2 steps we have to do. What? First of all, you make an statement equation from the statement, and the second one you have to solve it. Understood? Now coming to our B part. Now B part we have 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. It means किसी number का 1/5 part, and उसमें अगर we are doing minus 4, what we are getting? 3. Very simple. So what is that number? That number is x. And x, now according to condition, 1/5 means 1/5. I told you th part means it is in the decimal part, means in the fraction part. Fine. So 1/5 of a number minus 4 will get 3. Easily we made this equation from the statement, and now solve for the unknown variable term. So it's very simple to solve, students. One by one. First 4 will go that side. 4 plus 3, 7. Now 1 by 5 will go that side. 5 is in division. For that side it will go in multiplication. We have done 2 exercises on the basis of that. I hope that it's not difficult for you to take out the value for x. So x value 7 5s are 35. So we have done our question very simply and with the previous method only. Understood, students? I hope you got this question. Now moving forward, our next question. Now student, coming to our question number 2. देखो student, question number 2 we have in a word problem. But अगर आप इसका बेस देखोगे, बेस किसी क्वेश्चन का वो सेम है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का. देखो ध्यान से. See how a teacher tells the class that the highest mark obtained in one class, one student got highest marks. अब उसने कितना लिया highest mark? By a student, okay, is twice the lowest marks plus 7. मतलब इसका भी lowest marks है, उसका डबल और उसमें plus 7. Twice the lowest marks, twice means double, 2 of the lowest marks that we don't know. It means that should be x, and plus 7. And the highest marks is 87. It means the total is 87. We get is equals to 87. Simple. What is the lowest score? What is the lowest score? X is lowest score. But x कैसे निकालेंगे? From an equation. So let's start the solution. So what was the lowest marks? Lowest marks is x, and highest marks is twice of the lowest marks plus 7. That we have written. Means जो भी condition आपको दी जाती है students, that you have to make. you have to write. Okay, now using this, what equation will make? Equation is 2x plus 7 is equals to what we'll get? We'll get 87, right? So this is the equation now. Now you have to solve the equation. Very simple. 2x, 7 will go that side, plus will change into minus. So 87 minus 7 is 80. So to find out the x value, 2 will go in the denominator because in the division. Okay, so we'll divide it. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 80. So the x value is 40. So students, here only we need to understand the statement, write down the right equation, and after that ultimately you will get the right answer. Right students, so in this we have 3 parts. A part I have done, B part is homework for you, and C part also will do over here. Okay, so now coming to our next part. Now question number 2, C part. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. मतलब सचिन ने जो स्कोर बनाए हैं वो ट्वाइस बनाए हैं, इससे राहुल से. सपोज राहुल के x है तो सचिन के डबल मतलब 2x, twice x, 2 into x. Right? So this line what? Whenever you will see the word problem, line to line you will read it out and then only you will solve that question. मतलब एक line आपने you read एक first line, then you take a solution for first line, then and there only, then proceed further. Right? Means here for this Sachin 2x होगा सचिन का, राहुल का x होगा. Right? So together they run fell too short of a double century. मतलब अगर दोनों साथ में खेलें, साथ में उनके दोनों के रन्स को ऐड अप करें, मतलब x को और 2x को ऐड अप करें, तो उनके रन्स क्या है? fell too short for a double century. Double century, single century 100, double century means 200. तो उसमें 2 रन शॉर्ट हो गए, बच गए. इट मीन्स -2, इट मीन्स 198. सो मतलब दोनों के नंबर को ऐड कर दें, देन 2 शॉर्ट ऑफ अ डबल सेंचुरी वी गॉट. What student? What the equation would be? So let's start the solution. For that, what is the solution? So let's Rahul's score. We have to let the score for Rahul first. That would be x, and Sachin's score is twice for the double of the Rahul score. So that would be 2x only. So these two will be the condition for Rahul and Sachin. Now according to question, when together we'll add both the runs, मतलब उन दोनों के runs को if together we will add, so what they have got 2 left, means 2 less than the double century that I have told you in the introduction part. So it means 200, double century से 2 run कम, that would be 198. So this equation we got for it. Now solve this equation to find out the value for unknown variable. So 2 plus 1, 2x plus 1x, 3x. So 3x is equals to 198, and easily we can get the value of x. So x is equals to 198 upon 3, because here it is in multiplication. So divide it, 3 6 are 18 and 1 3 6 are 18. It means x value is 66, or x की value थी for Rahul. It means Rahul's score is 66 and Sachin के कितने score होंगे? 2 into 66. So that would be 132 runs. Very easy students, means all the concepts are very easy. You are already done. You need to be focused on the right statement, and then statement के बाद make a right equation. That's it. So this is all about our question number 2. Now moving forward, our next question. Then now coming to our question number 3. Again and again, same type of question is there in your exercise. Please understand it carefully. Question number 3 का one part of student that we have same question it is we have already done in our exercise 4.1. If we read it, we understand it. That Irfan has 4 marbles twice than the Rohan, whatever is there. You can see and easily you will do. That is very simple. Already we had an exercise 4.1. So I'm not going to do discussion over here. Fine. If you will read it out, you will understand it very nicely. So your homework will be A part and C part of this question, because A part if we don't do it's okay, because this is very simple, already we have done. and you will read it easily, you will understand it. So I'm doing B part over here and C part is homework for you. Right, student? So what is exactly the question is?
Lakshmi's father is 49 years old and he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age, and you don't know Lakshmi's age. Fine, student, it is all about the father age only. The father age is total age is 49, but if we compare with the Lakshmi's age, so Lakshmi's age is X. So according to X, the Lakshmi's father age is 3 times X, because 3 times Lakshmi's age, and he is also 4 years older. Older means obvious he is elder, उनसे बड़े होंगे, and something if greater than, so we will always add. Fine, students? So the solution would be, first of all, what would be the Lakshmi's age? Lakshmi's age would be X. So now according to the condition, the father of Lakshmi is 4 years older. Older means he is elder than Lakshmi. That would be add. Then 3 times Lakshmi age. 3 times Lakshmi's age is 49. This is the total. Means the recent age is 49 only. After getting this condition, the age will be 49. Got? So this is the equation. Now you have to solve for a x. Fine, so this 4 will go that side, 49 minus 4, that would be 45. So x is equals to 45 upon 3. Again and again the same steps we are doing only. This will be very easy for you. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So what is the Lakshmi age? Lakshmi's age is 15 years. Students, when you will put this 15 over here, you will see the sum of here only 49. It means your left hand side is equals to right hand side. It means our answer is correct. You can cross check also. This is only the right good thing in the mathematics, that you can cross check your answer by your side only. Okay, so this is all about your B part. Now the homework question, you have only C part of this question. Now moving forward, our last question, question number 4.
We have in a riddle form. What is the riddle? It's very nice and kind of very interesting also. See, what is the riddle? I am a number. मैं एक number हूँ. Tell my identity. That number you have to find out. Take me 7 times over. 7 times means 7 into something. 7 times means, as you know, times means multiply. Suppose I am taking, let my number one by one. Let the number is y. Your x, your z, your choice. Tell my identity. That is 1. Take me 7 times over. मुझे 7 times ज़्यादा. 7 times means 7 into y. Take me 7 times over and add 50. Fine. Next line. You reach a triple century. Now triple century 300. To reach a 300, अगर आपको 300 तक पहुंचना है, you still need 40. आपको 40 runs की या 40 की जरूरत है, because you will add 40. You still need 40 that you will add. Right, student? 7y is equals to, 7y plus 50 plus 40, 90, which is equals to 300. Means the next of the steps are journal only. You have to solve by your own according to given conditions. So 7y, y value we have to find out. First 90 will go that side, plus will turn into minus. So 300 minus 90 would be 210. So 7y, y value we have to take out. So 7 will go in the fraction because here it is in multiplication. So after reducing into lowest term, we will get 30. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 1 0 remain like that only. It means that number identity is 30. That number is 30. And it is very easy, student. So I hope that today's one topic become very easy for you and you feel very happy, and you can say easy today's topic, because all the topics we have covered in our previous exercises, right, students? So this is all about our today's topic, our today's exercise 4.4. Okay, so till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, and do very well in your all subjects. Don't forget to do the work. So